This is one of the ways that eBay is better than Amazon, and it is to not have gated products. So when you sell on Amazon, a lot of the products are gated, basically meaning that you can't sell those items. You'll need some sort of distributor invoice in order to get ungated, or you'll have to use an ungating service. Whereas eBay doesn't have that. So the awesome part about eBay is basically anything that you can't sell on Amazon because you're gated, you'll be able to sell on eBay. So if you find a crazy deal on something from, say, Walmart, that you found the deal but you can't sell it on Amazon because it's gated, then look for what it's selling for on eBay, because you might be able to make a profit off of it and sell it on eBay instead of Amazon, because eBay does not have the same gating requirements that Amazon does, and this is a huge advantage that eBay has over Amazon. Now, Amazon as a whole is way better than eBay. You'll be able to sell way more inventory with Amazon because everything sells a lot quicker on Amazon than it does on eBay. But this is a huge advantage that eBay has, because you'll be able to sell items that you can't sell on Amazon on eBay.